Hey guys, after coming back home from a long day of work, you can see there was a dent on my laptop, and then also a dent or crack up here. So this is one reason why I feel like sometimes it's hard to get nice stuff when you have two kids and you share kind of your office space and room where you work that has like some kids' toys in the slough. So I'm not sure neither of the kids fessed up or said who did it, but pretty much it's kind of a dent. I mean, it still powers on. Looks like. Sorry for my hiccups. And so you can see there's, like I said, a gap. Obviously, it's still sealed here. So I'm not sure if it's worth purchasing to try to get a fix on fixing the dent and sealing this screen right here. I'm just wondering if it's going to affect it where dust and stuff gets in there. So we'll see. Go ahead and comment and let me know, would you pay extra money to try to get it fixed or anything like that? Obviously it wouldn't be covered by the warranty or anything like that, I think, because like I said, it's functioning. It's just cosmetics and how it looks. So obviously this is not a great video because of the outcome of what happened. If you guys saw my previous videos of how long I had to wait for this laptop and everything, so obviously it's kind of disappointment, but this is what happens when you have a 6-year-old and a 3-year-old. Alright, so go ahead and comment and let me know what you would think. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't done so already, and then also thumbs up if you've had this issue with kids, or if your kids actually broke something even though it's pretty new, under a year. We had something similar like this with a dent on our refrigerator door. This is why I kind of tell my wife sometimes, like, I'd rather hold off on buying nice stuff until our kids are grown up a little bit, where they're not destruction, like destroy our stuff. So we'll see. So do appreciate your support, and together we can build better tomorrow. Thanks.